Welcome back, lovelies and friends, and thank you for making it the mix this morning. Now, on the mix, we have Marcia, and she is going on with herself. As you know, Marcia is an entertainer. She loves entertainment and stuff like that. And so she's always entertaining us. She's always dancing, happy, joyful, that's Marcia. But tonight, Marcia is talking about a topic that is all over social media. She's talking about Annmarie, Fraser, and also Ashanti. She also mentioned other people, but you would need to go and watch this video to see what Marcia has to say, because she has a lot to say about the situation with Annmarie and Ashanti. She's saying, that she knows that Annmarie watches her videos all the time because she's passed by and she saw her doing just that. But you need to go ahead and catch the video for the full story behind what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day.
Big up yourself, Annmarie, on YouTube. The only one thing me upset for, that is the fact that what I upset for as a woman, you sit down on social media, you play my video them, come and watch you, me pass by and see you, and you play my videos them every day on your platform, and you have them the juicy information there, and you never let it out. I must say, woman like you, really and truly, I don't know where you're coming from, but you must have some sort of respect for yourself. And, to look around and see how many Facebook people that man slept with, he must be using some sort of delirance. Because a boy like that could have never get my pussy. Not even if me not pay me $1 million. So I don't see one scene of him. He must be wearing some highlight catch me or something. You understand? And to see you come out and saying these things. So I hope the Facebook people that were listening to me when I came out a couple weeks back and telling us I'm not sleep with Matlock. Now you see Annmarie come and confirm it. Because me come out and tell me that. I'm glad now you can't get to see who dirty and nasty that boy is. Because he don't know himself. Me also want to let you know that there's a lot of dirtiness out the window. They're more even degrading than that. But me not ready for fire blood clot shot yet. Because it's coming from the horse's mouth. And me have voice mail to prove that. I hope that woman finds some dignity and pride in herself. It better someone go fuck one dog and fuck him. I mean, because I have no respect for one ladies out there who sleep with a man like that who degrade woman. You could tell me, say you couldn't buy one man. What is in that boy that woman? If I know when it comes to Facebook celebrity, who will fuck anything. And this is what I'm trying to tell people out there. As much as me big fat and ugly, una husband call to me. You see, when you have a fame on social media, it no matter how ugly it is, it no matter how your belly big or you small, man always interested in celebrities, people. And regardless of how you people feel, they do take us for a celebrity. And they will fuck anything. Once you out here. That's why me know who me talk to from me talk to. Because the amount of people when me met, and the amount of people who call to me on social media, if I was a little whore, what would I do with them? We don't have to pick on a wise. Because can you imagine when I'm ready to come out and cuss all the matlock for the amount of secret when you have fear? Can I tell us that the girl that couldn't pay rent, he have to beg Johnny to pay her bills and buy food for them and fish and pay them. And them come out every day and downgrade people. Little pussy wall 13. Me have your blood clot file, bitch. Fuck yourself with me, bitch. Me have your file. My detective just run your blood clot file and give me the paperwork. Me have your file, blood clot, bitch. And I will soon. You soon know who you have fuck with on social media. Me have your blood clot file, bitch. From the oota to the tuta. Me not ready for your dirty pussy clot yet. You nasty blood clot. Dirty 13. Me Marcia Campbell. Just get your blood clot file already, bitch. You motherfucker. Suck your mama and your daddy. Your whole poor house, bitch. I got your motherfucking file. Try me now, bitch. Anna, brace yourself. I will give you some information later on that bitch. If you fuck herself with me and you on social media, rest of people them. I will send it to you in a WhatsApp. You motherfucker. I saw you go. Nobody don't like you out there. Nobody don't like a poor ass bitch like you. Let me tell you something, people. Reach a point in my life when I'm fed up with Facebook. And at this present moment, I don't give a fuck what I say. To my members only, who not gonna like me, or like me not. But me not hear no apology. These motherfuckers have passed them blood clot page with me. And as I move on to take another journey in my life, a lot of things are going to change. You understand? A lot of things are going to change with me. But me, for the rest of the few days, me not afraid to cuss out the nasty blood clot boy. I may get a good laugh. You know, Annmarie is a woman. I don't know if you have low self-esteem, because I remember when the two of you meet, you were all over excited one time. You say him look good or him look good not. Listen, him not look good. Is the celebrity status? Is the celebrity status on social media? You hear what I say? In name pussy good. That's if man will love in name pussy, then can't fuck good. If him spend too much time on the pussy, him not use no dicky. He don't have no use. And to see him have to wear a dildo. Didn't I come tell us the boy did dead long time? Didn't I tell us he a false thing he have in trousers that show people? Didn't I tell us the motherfucking boy is sick? And he can't turn up good? Oh, eh? And that's why me and my pussy in a giant house. That's why me and my damn Janet pussy forget Janet in the house. Didn't you hear Maxine come say name what Janet pussy to a Janet figure a doctor with it? Didn't you hear Maxine say when name what Janet pussy that Janet have end up in a GYN doctor? For gingivitis and parasite. Look how the boy more cranny. Look how the boy more cranny. Who no could have looked on a boy like that for the way him talk? Who no should have known say the boy fuck ass too? Who no should have known say the boy is a boom bye bye bye? You should have shit in your blood clot mouth when you sit down over your head. And that you should have do, because I'm loving your pussy with shit in it. And that no should have do. When you mean near you, you should have shit in your blood clot mouth. And that you should have do. You want nobody. Anybody who say come on social media and cuss woman and cuss pitney and cuss baby, you're nobody, you're blood clot walking dead. You come like a condom and castic. One you come in and one you blood clot burying. That's who it is. A blood clot condom and a blood clot castic. That's who it is. Pussy clot, dirty blood clot Ashanti 360. You come like a blood clot condom and a blood clot castic. You come in a one and your blood clot burying a one. Your dirty pussy clot. You think you know sweet me? Falsehood boy. Suck pussy boy. That's why your mouth turns so lean. And whitey like a blood clot flower. You know, see when you open up your mouth, it come like when you make fly fitters and it do softy. You see the whole heap of something in your mouth. Your two blood clot now still look a suck pussy boy and deadwood boy. Eh? You think I look for something you do with the social media? More left to come out. I want to see how a little dirty, stinking girl Matla gonna say about you. And if the little dirty sore foot man in the up here too, he would have fuck her too. Nasty bitch, cause she not get nothing. After she can't get nothing either, cause she can't hold up the blood clot foot pan shoulder. And the boy short, and she big and tall. So I mean I forgot probably ride her and joke her in the back door. Cause I can't catch her the pussy, cause she, by the time I come, I forgot smell it, his blood clot foot them smell like a graveyard. Rusty and dirty and think no blood clot. That like a bitch ass ugly woman. Fucking head big like a bison cow from Louisiana. And come on social media, but no one come talk to people. Eh? You know, see my revival walk. Anytime me come and keep my little revival, blood clot Facebook turn up. 9 blood clot there to revival. I did not go on no hobby man. You whole I wanna start talk on a pussy clot secret. Every house start lit down. Bap, 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 bap. People don't worry about this belly. I'm having surgery next year. I'm having surgery next year. So next year, see my belly come down. I'm approved for the surgery, so I'll be having surgery. Yes, my dear. So don't worry about it. Me have one little gurgle, and the gurgle make you round up. But I am approved. I'm also approved for the lipo pills and injection. I'm gonna start take the injection maybe by next month. But and see how it work. And I'm encouraging you guys, if you're overweight, look and see if your insurance cover it. Because my insurance cover mine. If you get the injection and the lipo pill, so take it. It work. A lot of people are losing it. And me I come if I can take on a blood clot man. Me not ask you no. That is it. So who all have at least the false dick now go up in me. I tell you, I get the real thing. Blood clot boy. Me get the real thing. A strong piece of blood clot preventer who there me get. All when time him come, he still turn up no ras clot. Him don't have to use no false dick to freak me. Him well ready, like a Freddy.